Students, we are discussing exercise 4.1 class 10th and that is mathematics. We have discussed two questions of question number 2 in our previous video. Here we are discussing third question of question number 2. Rohan's mother's age is 26 years. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. We don't know the age of Rohan. The product of their age in year 3 years from now will be 360. That means product of their age is 3 years from now. 3 years from now means आज से 3 साल बाद. So 3 years from now will be 360. इन दोनों की एज का प्रोडक्ट 3 साल बाद कितना होगा? 360. We would like to find the present ages. We are not finding the present ages because we have to represent the situation in the form of quadratic equation. We are just representing the situation in the form of quadratic equation. Rohan's mother's age is 26 years old. Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. We don't know the age of Rohan, so let Rohan's age be x years. Let's assume that the age of Rohan be x years. So Rohan's mother's age be x plus 26 years, because it is given that Rohan's mother is 26 years older than him. If Rohan's age is x, then his mother's age is x plus 26. That means छोटा सा एग्जांपल लेते हैं. इफ अगर रोहन की मदर की एज 5 ईयर है, तो रोहन की मदर की एज कितनी होगी? 26 प्लस 5. जितनी भी एज होगी उससे 26 साल ज्यादा उसकी मदर की एज. सो रोहन्स मदर्स एज भी 26 x plus 26 year, which is assumed that Rohan's age is x years. Now the condition is given, the product of their ages 3 years from now. 3 years from now मतलब 3 साल बाद. So according to question, after 3 years, if present age of Rohan is x year, so after 3 years Rohan age will be x plus 3. मतलब आज अगर रोहन की एज 5 साल है, तो 3 साल बाद रोहन की एज कितनी होगी? 5 plus 3, 8 साल. So present age of Rohan's age will be x year. So after 3 years Rohan's age be x plus 3 years, and Rohan's mother's age be, Rohan's mother's present age is x plus 26. That means x plus 26 plus 3 years will be Rohan's mother's present age. Now the condition is given that the product of their ages, that means this into this, 3 years from now will be x plus 3 and x plus 29 is the present current ages. So according to question, x plus 3 into product this and this 26 plus 3 become 29. X plus 29 will be equal to how much? 360. So when we multiply this, x into x, x square, x into 29, 29x, 3 into x, 3x, plus 29 into 3, 29 into 3, 27, 7, 82, 8. 87 will be equal to 360. Now x square plus 29 plus 3 become 32x plus 87 minus 360 will be equal to 0. So when we subtract 87 from 360, x square plus 32x plus 360, 273 will be equal to 0. This is the required quadratic equation. So when we subtract 87 minus 360, it will become minus 273 because this is the bigger number. So minus 273 will be equal to 0. So this is the required quadratic equation for the condition given in this question. Hope you understand how to make the equation from this given situation. Now you have to find we would like to find the Rohan's present age. That means we have to find out the value of x. So you just find the value of x from this equation by using few methods, that is maybe middle term splitting, it may be formula method, and the cross multiplication method, the methods which we have discussed in the chapter number 2nd, chapter number 3rd. Now students, this is last part of question number 2 of exercise 4.1. That is, a train travels a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. A train travels 480 km at a uniform speed. Speed is not given in the question. So let speed of train be x kilometer. Speed of the train be x kilometer per hour. A train travel a distance of 480 km at a uniform speed. So distance traveled by train will be equal to 480 km. Distance traveled by the train will be 480 km. 480 km. If the speed had been 8 km per hour less, it would have taken 3 hours more to cover the same distance. We need to find the speed of the train. So, as per the given situation, we have to make a quadratic equation, and then we have to find out the value of x so that we will be able to find out the speed of the train. Now, student, it is given in the question a train travel at a distance of 480 km at uniform speed. So we just assume that let the speed of the train be x km per hour. हमने ये मान लिया कि स्पीड जो है ट्रेन की वो कितनी है x km per hour, क्योंकि स्पीड गिवन नहीं थी क्वेश्चन में. इसके बाद जो गिवन है हमें if the speed so now in this condition we know that this basic and simple formula that speed is equal to distance upon time. Speed is equal to distance upon time. From this we can say that time is equal to distance upon speed. When we cross multiply this, times come to this side and speed come to that side. Time is equal to distance upon speed. So a train travels a distance of 480 km at uniform speed. So we just assume that the speed of the train be x km and distance traveled by it be 480 km. Now let time taken be t1, because we are having two situations. स्पीड जो है वो 8 किलोमीटर कम हो जाती है तो 3 घंटे ज्यादा लेता है, कंडीशन चेंज हो रही है. तो फर्स्ट टाइम हमने मान लिया कि t1 हो गया. सो t1 will be equal to what? Distance upon speed. Distance traveled by the train is 480 km upon speed. Speed क्या है बेटा? x. So this is our first condition. Now if the speed had been 8 km per hour less, स्पीड 8 किलोमीटर कम कर दी गई है. नाउ स्पीड ऑफ ट्रेन v पहले कितनी थी x, उसमें से कितनी कम करेंगे 8. मतलब पहले अगर वो 60 की स्पीड से चल रही थी तो अब 8 कम कर देंगे तो 52 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से चलेगी. सो पहले x थी तो उसमें से कितना कम कर देंगे 8, x माइनस 8 किलोमीटर पर आवर की स्पीड से चलेगी. डिस्टेंस तो अभी भी सेम ही ट्रैवल करेगी, तो डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल विल बी इक्वल टू सेम 480 किलोमीटर. नाउ few more condition is given. Again time 2 will be equal to, we know that time is equal to distance upon speed. So distance is again same 480 and speed is x minus 8. This is our equation 2. Now we are finding our two equation with the help of which we will able to make our quadratic equation, because represent the following situation in the form of quadratic equation. हमें इस सिचुएशन को quadratic equation के फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट करना है. So a train if the speed had been 8 km less per hour less, अगर speed 8 km per hour से कम कर दी जाती है, then it would take 3 hour more, मतलब उसको 3 घंटे ज्यादा लेगी. मतलब अगर यहाँ पर ट्रेन 8 घंटे लेती है तो यहाँ पर कितनी लेगी? 11 घंटे. दैट मींस अगर यहाँ 11 घंटे लिए और यहाँ 8 घंटे लिए हैं तो 11 में से जब हम 8 माइनस करेंगे तो हमें कितना मिलेगा? 3. दैट मींस T2 minus T1 will be always equal to 3. According to question, T2 minus T1 will be equal to 3. Given condition है, if the speed had been 8 km less, अगर स्पीड 8 किलोमीटर कम कर दी जाती है तो it would take 3 hour more, वो 3 घंटे ज्यादा लेगी. मतलब अगर यहाँ पर टाइम लिया, हम अज्यूम कर रहे हैं कि यहाँ पर टाइम लिया 10 घंटे, तो यहाँ पर कितना लेगी? 13 घंटे. तो जब हम T2 minus T1 करेंगे, जो भी टाइम ले, x y z कुछ भी टाइम हो सकता है, तो T2 minus T1 will be always 3. This is our given condition. So T2 minus T1 will be 3. The value of T2 is 480 upon x minus 8 and T1 is 480 upon x. So 480 upon x minus 8 will be equal to 480 upon x will be always equal to what? 3. Sorry, 480 upon x minus T2 minus T1. Now you can solve it taking LCM. We have multiplied this to this, this to this, and we just multiply it in denominator. X into 480, 480x minus, when we multiply this, minus 480x minus 480 into 8, 8 into 480 upon x into x minus 8. Now, when we multiply this to this, 480 into x become minus 480x, and minus into minus, it become what? Plus 8 into 480, 8 into 480. That will be equal to what? 3. Now, 480x to 480x cancel. 8 into 480, 48 into 8, 4, 3. So 3840 will be equal to 3 when we multiply this x into x minus 8. So 3840 will be equal to 3x square minus, or we can solve it, we can simplify it in a simpler manner. 3840 divided by 3 will be equal to x into x minus 8. So when we multiply 3840 into, when we divide 3840 by 3, it gives 1280 will be equal to x into x square minus 8x. When we transfer this to that side, the final equation will become x square minus 8x. When it comes to this side, it will become minus 1280 will be equal to what? 0. So x square minus 8x minus 1280 is the required quadratic equation formed by the given condition. So this is the condition, this is the quadratic equation which we are forming by using this given condition. Hope you understand how to make quadratic equation with the help of given condition and situations.